It's Stacy Atkinson here with Minards Lesiure World. We're going to go over a few pointers on running zone controls and the air conditioner, Dometic air conditioner digital thermostats. One of our most commonly asked questions or phone calls is my ceiling fan is running when my furnace is running. So come on up and we'll take a look. Start off with running the furnace fan. Get the furnace, you're going to start your furnace, you're going to go turn your on-off mode control, scroll through to the furnace button, and at that point, if all your lines are purged, everything should start up, fan will start running. One of the things that we want to go into is, of course, the fan setting. When you're running your furnace, you always want your fan control on auto. If you have it on high or low, at that point, that's when your air conditioner fan is going to kick in. So you just flip up to fan by pressing the on-off mode into fan, and at that point you can scroll through auto, low, high, and back to auto. If it's set to auto on furnace, you'll be fine. The air conditioner fan will not come on. If you want to switch it over to cool, again, press your on-off mode to switch down to cool. If you'd like, at that point you can go back up to fan, change it to high or low for your fan setting in your air conditioner. Just always remember, when you're running on furnace, you always want your fan setting on auto. This is your Dometic, what we call a CC2 thermostat controller. This is the thermostat that controls different zones, zoning meaning two air conditioners within your unit. What you're going to want to do with this, of course, is your zoning. You always want to make sure you're on the correct zone. If you have one air conditioner, that'll be zone 1, and that's all you're going to control it out of. If you have two air conditioners, you always will have a second zone. You can find that by pressing the zone button, which will take you to zone 2. Unless you have a 50 amp service, you will only be able to run one of your air conditioners, front or back, just depending whichever one you want to run at that point. Fairly simple, same thing going forward. You pick your zone, you pick which mode, whether it's your fan mode, it's off, or your cool mode. And again, you just choose. Would you like your fan set at auto, low, or medium, or high? Back to auto, it'll run your air conditioner on auto. Again, when you're running your furnace, you have to have your fan set on auto. If you don't, it's going to run your air conditioner fan as well as the furnace, which shouldn't be run together. So again, if you want to switch to zones, you're just going to press your zone button. That'll take you into zone 2. Pick your mode. If you want a cool air conditioner, and your fan setting. What do you want your fan set on? Low, high, medium, or auto? If you have any other questions, please feel free to give our service department a call at 306-842-3288.